Hey guys, we're on Oromocto Lake this morning chasing landlocked salmon. We're going to start off doing some trolling, running a 3-inch Rapella. I think it's fluorescent color is what I got on, the fluorescent orange. Auto charting this bay in here as well. It's supposed to be good for the salmon when fall, so I want to make sure we got her all mapped out. Never fished this area before. Lots of smallmouth bass in here, so wouldn't surprise me if we hook onto a few of them as well. Oh, then we got a fish on, guys. Yes, we do. Woo-hoo! There's the first one of the day. Oh no, maybe he jumped. Yep. Oh, I'm gonna say that's a bass. Only had her for about 5 minutes. That's gonna be a small guy, I'm gonna say. There he is. Oh, half decent sized fish. Probably 1.5 pounds. There he is. Not a bad sized bass. Woohoo! Love it. We are rocking and rolling. She's a little windier than I thought. That's okay. We're going to head into a cove here. Not sure how sheltered she'll be, but we're not going to be venturing out in the middle of the lake. They say the rougher conditions make for better fishing. I guess we'll see. Kind of nice to land that first bass. Actually, a half decent size. This is a spring-fed lake, and you can see she's pretty cool. It is the end of September, but she's around 58 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the first time I've been up in this cove. I've been on Oromocto Lake plenty of times, but never in this area. Typically what I'll do in unknown waters is hit all the breaks, points, visible structure. Once I find the fish, that's where I'll concentrate. Just on the north end of the lake right now, and the wind's out of the south, so that means the waves got about 7-8 kilometers. Oh my gosh, there's a fish. Okay, let's see, what do we got? Right in the middle of the old wave speech. Now, would we be so lucky to have a salmon on here? That is the target species. Oh, pulling good now. Got our net there. Let's see what we got. Kept going. Put the old wood to them. There we are. Nice little smallmouth. I'm gonna say he's probably gonna go 1 pound or so. Not bad. Nice to land another fish. Let's get the old Rapella back out. That's some information too where the salmon might be. Woohoo! See if we can land a couple of those. Love to have 1 or 2 to try in the smoker. We're just trying to gently ride out the waves. We don't want to be stuffing that bow. Doing right around 2.5 miles an hour to troll. Get down in a big dip, we'll just take it easy. Gonna switch things up and go to a number 3 Blue Fox Vibrex. That spinner there's got the line bell on it. See how that makes out. Oh, there's a fish, guys. We got one. I'm going to say that's a bass. Come right out of the water. And we just come up on that break about 15 feet. Oh, putting up a nice fight. There he comes. Oh, nice. Probably about 1.5 pounds. Woohoo! There he is. Nice fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Easy now. That's a nice bass, boys. Nope. Nice bass, guys. About 2 pounds. Gotta say that was pretty sweet. Biggest fish of the day so far. I'm gonna say he was close to 2 pounds. Put up a great fight. Again, not exactly the target species, but we'll take 2 pound smallies all day. Great action, great fight, great motivation. How freaking cool was that, guys? That was probably 403 Squadron from CFB Gagetown doing a little exercising. We managed to give him the high five as well. Woohoo! Gonna go with a 4-inch Rapella again. That's a floating model. Black and silver. I'm gonna put a little bit of stink on it. Do a little casting, throw in a tube. Let's see if there's anything hiding underneath the structure here. I'm gonna hit the docks. Water's not very deep, but maybe there's a fish or two hanging up in there. There's a fish. We got one. Yes, sir. Right in shallow. Wow. Oh, there he is. He's on a rock. Okay, here he comes. There we go. He's right in shallow. Ta-da! Another nice fish, probably about 1 pound plus. We'll take those all day long. In about 4 or 5 feet of water right here. Oh my gosh, got a nice fish there. Wow. Nice bass, guys. What a nice fight. Pulled him right off that dock. There he is. Oh, okay. Off he went. Woohoo! That was a nice one. We're on. Woohoo! That is a nice fish. Thought I was hooked up on rocks. Wow. He's right under the bow. Man, oh man, this might be the biggest one of the day. Oh, it's a gator. Wow. Oh man, that is a nice pickerel. Check that out, friends. Woohoo! Boys, we're not catching a lot of fish today, but we're getting some half decent sized ones. I think we're going to call her a day. As you can see over my shoulder, we got a little bit of weather coming in. I don't want to be caught out in that. Got about a 2-kilometer pedal back to the launch, so that's going to take me a little bit. Caught a few bass and a chain pickerel, and I was pretty happy with that. No salmon, but maybe next time. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. Till next time, stay safe.